Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This is a 2020 model, just came in the showroom. Sea Ray blue hull side color and stainless rub rail is a very striking combination. Sea forward, we have the stainless anchor and automatic windlass, as well as a freshwater washdown. So we'll circle back to the transom of the boat and take a look. First off, you'll notice it's powered by twin 300 Mercury Verado 4-stroke outboards. Amazing motors, very smooth, refined, and quiet power package. Really matches up perfectly with this hull. You can see we have sea deck across the swim platform, as well as a fold-out swim step. This will go down to water level. Very convenient for those beach days. Full lounger, very comfortable seating while you're hanging out. Easily accessible entrance into the cockpit, really minimizes the impact on the seating. And we do have a conveniently located battery switch, freshwater washdown, and even a boarding step. Looking into the cockpit, you'll see the striking blue LED accent lighting and very comfortable wraparound seating. This interior color, by the way, is stone, new color for 2020. It's been an absolute hit. Do have the Sure Shade on the back of the hardtop as well, so that's going to extend, cover all your lounging area to make those hot summer days tolerable, lounging in the sun. Over on the starboard side, we'll notice the sink, storage area on top, integrated refrigerator down below, additional passenger seating up to the passenger seat, too wide. This does swivel so you can join in the conversation. Moving forward to the port side, we do have the head, very easy entrance, vacuum flush head, as well as sink. Over to the helm area, twin 9-inch Simrad screens, full digital switching for all your systems on the boat. Flip up bolsters. And this boat does have joystick piloting, so you can make ease of any docking situation. Skyhook to hold you in place, and integrated autopilot as well. Moving forward, you'll see the very nicely laid out bow seating, amazing LED lighting, and inserts for a bow filler cushion or tables for the bow, so you can relax, enjoy a bite to eat, stow it away when you want your real estate back for more space to move around. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down and check out this boat in person or any of the others in our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.